Hello, dear friends. Today we will talk about few common and best free reference tools that can use in your research and make the referencing and bibliography easy. There are many reference tools, both free and paid versions are available. But today we will talk about the free one, and the most commonly used and the best that I found is really best, and that is a Zotero. Zotero is a free referencing tool available, and it's very easy to use. It's very commonly used worldwide, and you can use it very easily. So let's take a demo and see how the Zotero works. So this is I have Zotero installed in my computer. So I have just opened the Zotero, and this is the interface of Zotero. uh, as you will open the Zotero, in the left upper corner there are certain options like file. You can start a new project, like you are going to write a new research paper, so you can an item, and you can start a new collection, and either you can import the articles from other places from a computer, like if you have stored the PDF somewhere, just like that. Another option is, these are not such used options, but simply when we use it, I will show you here. You can see that I have many of my collections stored in Zotero, and if in case uh, uh, you can always sense, and you can always find this your saved work, stored work on any computer, your laptops, mobiles, at any source. It is not lost everywhere. So this is like this, the one file, it has multiple these articles here that are the part of one of my articles. There is another, it is content, all of these are articles. See, they all are the articles. This the tail of this one article that I have ticked, and you can know about the details of the article from here in the right corner. And this is another collection, and this is another collection. It has a lot of articles stored here, and you can just click on any one of these, and you can double clicking, it will open the article for you in the Zotero. Sometimes it opens in the Google. So this is like, you can read the whole article from here in the Zotero and use it for your referencing and whatever purpose you are reading an article. So how to import the articles in Zotero? I will simply show you a demo here. For example, I'm going to the Google, and here let's see, we are going to PubMed, the most commonly used search engine for medical research. This, for example, I'm writing about diabetes. Simply I'm writing about diabetes, for example, and you can say chronic kidney disease. So kidney disease here is, I'm just going for demo. I'm not doing a standard literature search. I'm just showing you how to use this Zotero software here. For example, here I'm not going into detail of this literature review and how to search PubMed. There are other videos available on the channel. You can see, for example, I wish to see this study. For example, I have read this study, and I found this study very useful for my topic, and I want to collect it in my collection and store it in Zotero for later use. So there are multiple options. One option is uh, here in the right box here. Zotero has its Chrome extension. I'm showing you that option as well. You can, when you are downloading the Zotero, you can go to Google Chrome, and you can download the Zotero. This is option, Zotero Chrome extension. So when you will open this Zotero Connect, I have downloaded this already. See, it is giving me an option Zotero connector, and Google is giving option to remove the Chrome, because I have already added it. So when you will open it, you will have an option to add in Chrome. Once you will click here, it will be added to your Chrome, and then you can use it very easily. For example, I have opened this article, and I will click here the right top bar in the extensions, and I will have a, see there, I have a Zotero connector here. I have a Zotero connector here, and for example, where should I store it? Let's see, for let's make a new collection. You are making collection. Okay, this is a market one new collection, untitled one. So this is untitled one is a, see, this is a new collection is formed. You can likewise form other collections for your research work. So I want to save this article here, so I will go to Google. Here I will, in extensions, here I will go, this is Zotero connector. I have Zotero connector and I have this article. These are your collections, and I, which collection we have just made, we have this created this untitled, and I want to add this paper here. And we will now go to Zotero and we will open this untitled one, and just click here. It is taking some time, probably due to some internet issues. Let's just go again to this Zotero connector, and we are saving it to this particular untitled group, and we are going done. Once it is done, probably I have edited to, we have this untitled one. Okay, we have untitled one, the name. So we are going to save this article through Zotero connector into, sorry, we have added it to untitled, we are editing into untitled one. We have done it, and now you check here, this is the untitled one, new created collection. Here is article. So likewise you can add a lot of articles initially in your literature screening. When you are collecting the articles at the initial stage of literature review, you can collect so many articles like that, like this here, and can collect all those, and then later you can, for example, I want to read this article, double click here and this article is open, and you can read it, you can edit it, highlight the text, and you can do add note to it, and you can do a lot of things with here. I hope you like this video. In the next video I'll show you how to create the citations and how to create the bibliography from the Zotero. Thank you.